to know how we perform the subtraction of the two binary numbers. So let's say A is given as, let me just change the marker. So let's say A is equal to 1 0 0 1 1 and B is equal to 1 1 1 0 0 0 0, and we are supposed to perform the operation A minus B. I just prefer to perform this subtraction as the addition of A into negative of B, since both these operations are equivalent. So let's just get the idea of the complement of a number. Complement of a number is actually used for finding the negative of that number in a particular base. So if we talk about the binary numbers, we actually use the 2's complement for representing the negative of a given number. Alright, there are two ways to find the 2's complement of a number. So let's see, if we are having the binary combination as 1 0 1 0 1 1 and we are asked to find the 2's complement of a number, how we can do this? We will subtract the rightmost bit if it is non-zero from 2 and the rest of the bits are subtracted from 1. So if you will perform this subtraction, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, then 1, then 0, then 1 and finally 0. So this is actually the negative of this number. Whatever this number was n, this is actually the negative of n. So 2's complement helps us to find the negative of a number. There is another way to find the negative of a number. The procedure is first find the 1's complement and then add 1 into the resultant. So let's just do this for the same example. We were having the number 101011. How the 1's complement is found? 1's complement is found by subtracting all the bits from the 1. So if we subtract 0 bit from 1, you will get resultant equal to 1, and if you subtract 1 bit from 1, you will get resultant is equal to 0. So whatever the bit you are subtracting is, you get the inverted resultant. So when you subtract 0, you get 1. When you subtract 1, you get 0. So in other words, 1's complement is actually equal to the inverting the bits. So the simple way to find the 1's complement is to invert the bit. So 1 will be converted to 0. Again, this will be 0. This will be equal to 1. This will be equal to 0. This is equal to 1, and then finally we will have 0. So 0 0 1 0 1 0. All I have done is just perform the inversion of the bits. The next step is to find the 1 in the result. This is equal to 1, then 0 1 0 1 and 0, and you can see both these results are same. Fine. So there are two ways to find the negative of a number. First one is by taking the 2's complement, and the second one is to take the 1's complement.